Creating an engaging ebook is about more than just presenting information. It's about crafting an experience for the reader. To start, focus on choosing a clean and visually appealing layout that enhances readability. Use clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up large blocks of text, making it easier for readers to navigate. Incorporate high-quality images, charts, or graphics that complement the text, adding a visual break and enhancing comprehension. A consistent font style and size is essential for readability, while subtle color schemes can add a professional touch without distracting from the content. Finally, consider white space, as it allows for a less cluttered, more enjoyable reading experience. Another key aspect of engaging ebook formatting is interactivity. Interactive elements, such as clickable links, embedded videos, or audio clips, can keep readers engaged and make the ebook feel more dynamic. Adding clickable links to internal sections, external resources, or a table of contents allows readers to navigate easily, especially for longer ebooks. For authors looking to add a personalized touch, incorporating author notes, quotes, or sidebars can help build a connection with the reader. Overall, successful ebook formatting merges aesthetics with functionality to create an enjoyable and memorable experience that encourages readers to stay engaged from cover to cover.
I'm so happy that all of you are here. Hi, I'm Lottie Ann Silvis, and thank you for coming by and stopping by at my YouTube channel. I hope that you guys find my videos very inspiring and encouraging you that you can do anything online too, because I do have marketing tools that are great for business people all over the world. So if you're interested, you can click on my links. My links for the business tools that you need is so valuable in your business. So